everyone, and media members, journalists, and reporters. Thanks you all for your coming here. So now, on behalf of various Karbi national organizations, I read out the press note. This is a joint press conference with the participation of national organizations comprising Karbi Society, Karbi Cultural Society, Karbi Lamet Ame, Karbi Student Association, Karbi Nimsojing Durasong, Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State, Hills Tribal League, Karbi Anglong Rongasaramay, Karbi Rongasaramay, Rasinja Asong, all Karbi Student Union, Karbi Film Society, Puja, All Hills Leaders Conference, and many others. The objective is to present unified voice against certain provisions of the MOS, Memorandum of Settlement, signed between the government of Assam and the Kuki groups on the 15th March 2026. The foremost objection is the manner in which the Karbi political leadership and Karbi civil society organizations have been totally ignored and kept under wraps during the process of the accord that involve Karbi Anglong land and its polity. We want to make it clear that Assam government cannot, should not, and should never represent Karbi tribe and land without their express consent explicitly. This domineering trend and attitude over Karbi tribe and land is condemnable, and we vehemently condemn it, and we will be vigorously resisted. We therefore oppose all the clauses of the Kuki group government accord which have reference to Karbi Anglong land and its polity, lock, stock, and barrel, and demand their immediate deletion from the MOS, failing which the Karbi people will be forced to launch strong democratic mass resistance against unjust policies. We have noted that in recent times, the state government leadership has been speaking and acting for Karbi Anglong land and its people, undermining the 6th scheduled autonomy. We are peaceful people and wish to live peacefully. We assert and urge the government to stop acts of provocation in its pursuit of colonial ambitions and desist from creating unnecessary social tensions in Karbi Anglong. We call upon all the people of Karbi Anglong to remain alert against any form of conspiracies that may undermine the integrity of its land, the unity of its people, and the preservation of its political autonomy, and be prepared to take any challenges that may pose against us in future. On the other hand, the Singhason and Khonbamon hills and their surrounding ranges can rightly be called the lungs of East Karbi Anglong, as they are the origins of all major rivers and rivulets that sustain life in the region. These hills play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance by supporting rich biodiversity, dense forests, and diverse flora and fauna. The water sources that emerge from these hills do not only provide drinking water, but also support agriculture, livelihoods, and the overall well-being of the people and animals. Moreover, this landscape hold deep cultural and ancestral significance for the Karbi community, making them more than just geographical features. Thus, we strongly oppose any attempt to extend the accord and distort it to these areas. However, increasing human activities, deforestation, and unregulated human settlement pose serious threats to this fragile ecosystem. Therefore, it is essential to ensure proper regulation, conservation efforts, and community participation to protect these hills for environmental sustainability, safeguarding cultural heritage and future of East Karbi Anglong. Itu আমাৰ press note. Itu je podoan. Lasila bangkai ni tum Karbi Kailong Asong kai kacing hon Asong ke the nei yang mong ke pinidak dolap lo. Karbi Utang Asong, Karbi Lamer Asong, Pencenglok, Karbi Lucori Asong, Penda Karbi pilo ni mari Asong do anda do lo Rongasar, Karbi Rongasar, Pencenglok dak kuja dolo tuntak dolap lo, dak amen dak do inglo. La sila bang ini tumla kedamtang siklo lo Mars Triforni Tukia Group lapen Assam government ang bong lo kecip tok lamdon kecip tok lamang itu kecip tok nun tekte si cepak lang lo athe bangke laso lo kecip tok kalau proses ahut Karbi Anglong leaders ba social organization society pan macam pan to pacini pon pepin nang itu pan matu joy sila tum alu cetok bet laso lo kecip tok pena jok kaheno thetanji lahai kadu Karbi Anglong long sil tum mangai kecirai fansi amen namun da cir laplo amen da lar laplo lapen latum hal so area si kadu kabe lanon kebor ilo kecirai fan sila tum cidon de ate la so Anglong singhason le punon konmamon le punon lagi itu apur kimo da la dak sidolo itum Karbi dapur kimo itum hajutang jubat ke plang ke pi anda dah hindu lo lapenang par lang roy lang jeng itu lah Karbi Anglong lah East Karbi Anglong lang roy ke tenai nai angbong dak sikisu tang bok sai delo yang sila dak si munit itu dam upload deh heng kita bedet po lah lang roy lang jeng anda kreng lapo mulai tum di pubi yun bom dahan dak di kawan lo kosong si no hok tala so lang anda kreng lapo sila bang ini tum cedonun tek posisi ini kan tu kabe cedon sa pen lah opos lo lapen Assam government tum hitame lain tum Karbi Akhai lapen Karbi Anglong aparman hat dum det cepat hek dasi kun nang nang yedun taparet lapen lapu lamdon citaun taparet mangke muap kita klem kledet nangi kusi itum mata pacini lo ati dapang itum sik sidul ateng pen duk be banyak kong mangai tum la tonsil long si ya kong duk si tonsil ke ya tum pen sing wai pin bai tum social organization tetan na song pen hang chini de pin ban kon sitok taparet mangke tum citong de
Assam government fan nangli tum ka chedon non thek pualan the ka chepak lang fan nangli tum ko pine pin pura lo lason pine ki pi fan doloma man ta chisik pine do man
pipo ni tum ka chengwai tang ber lo lan tum delegation dami si minister fan PMG governor fan da pidami lan tum chengwai tang do
nonang le ki jut nonang le ki pu thu da Karbi Anglong autonomous council fan da pachini pon pe pula so lama bangke da authority tum sinali tum fan da pachini klom mala tum fan ta concern na be
la son ne kali tame ayanon mangprong son bina masih data itu bisa lo filmnya konsulat soal kan bisa lo filmnya.
Ada Karbi Anglong related close sama kapu, dia close sini mana?
Five, close five kan? Close six.
Close five of the
Si bangga lah.
Developmental schemes clearly
close five long
new constituency of MSC
Close five long bang ke MSC seat 125 amendment jong si line limit lo bulang te kuki khai phan su tame seat ini la council long MSC seat nang te kon nang ji ku si to lapen reservation do nai ku si to lapen close 6 bang close 6 one long bang ke kacharbo 2023 4 la so kacharbo kekat kibe kiche hula so kuki akai tu mana ko kiche bang tuji long leptek nangi hula so ini e plosong bang heli tum teli che dom dum de bat baki bang kudu na thai be
so nona bang ke have you noticed that state government to council kanang ching piak luma tapi aku nang tu hang ching piak luma so
awelang kami tum dan non pen so cepak lang de pute nang ching ki bu cho dalam ame tema masih mo nang ching ki nang hang pada kon tunggal lagi protest lumpur.
2023-2024 about Kuki clashes to Karbi Kuki clashes to. Hala so tumhan displaced persons tumhan long may pinangji tu situ.
Labang pitak pipru kicau kedet po. Hok hak lasi proper regulation nangi pini kolam klang lama. Mana proper silo drive audit do nangi village audit do nangi. Lahir dari tunggal lagi ne. Wang po na rong na cikim po dak muni kelang ne kali ne lagi screening pakka pensi. Aku pengen dok putih lagi ka program mo ita non ke wang o tumang emen ke wang non lagi. Aso displacement to ita mel lagi non ke wang ita lagi. Cak long de bunjo ke bu.
Hala, macam apa 2003-24 3-4 mah.
3-4.
2003.